you thinking about starting a print-on-demand brand while working a full-time job? Before you do, you have to watch this. I started my print-on-demand journey 5 years ago while working 40 hours a week as a pediatric trauma nurse. I had no AI, no automation, and no team to help me, just scraps of time and sheer determination. And today, with everything that you have at your fingertips, it's never been easier to start. Even without those tools and advantages that you have, I was able to build brands that have now done over $7 million in total print-on-demand sales. So in this video, I'm breaking down the 4 strategies I'd use if I were starting over from scratch with a crazy schedule and barely any time. We'll walk through each strategy and I'll show you exactly how to leverage them to make real progress fast. Now, strategy number 1, and probably the most important if you are working full-time, is time blocking. This is about using the precious time that you have as effectively as possible. Now, when I was working full-time as a nurse, my schedule was constantly shifting between day shift and night shifts. Some days I only had an hour after work before I had to crash and reset my sleep cycle for the next shift. So time blocking wasn't just helpful, it was a necessity. We think we'll be really productive by jumping around doing little things here and there, only to realize that we got nothing meaningful done. Time blocking forces us to focus on the most important task, and that means our business actually takes a step forward. Now, this is how time blocking works. Just set a timer for 30 minutes, an hour, whatever time you have to spare, and go all in on one focused task. That means putting our phones on Do Not Disturb, having one browser tab open, and no distractions. Whether you're designing, researching for your niche, setting up your store, running product descriptions, the goal is to make every minute count. And when your time is limited, how you use it matters more than how much you have. Time blocking is how you build a real brand in the margins of your day, and with tools like AI now, you can move even faster during those focused windows. Now, the second strategy is simple, but it can save you months of wasted time. You want to find someone who's already done what you are trying to do. When I got started, I never would have even thought about print-on-demand if it weren't for Chris, my now husband. He had already built a successful print-on-demand brand at the time, and he kind of gave me a nudge just into trying it. Now, I didn't go in with this big master plan. I went in with the mindset of, I'm going to figure this out. And there really was no turning back. I was juggling 12-hour night shifts and having sleep-deprived mornings, but that mindset paired with someone that I could lean on when things got confusing or really hard helped me to keep going. Having Chris meant I didn't have to get stuck on any of the small stuff. Questions like, do I need an LLC? How many designs should I make? How do I connect a Facebook pixel? Instead of spending hours of researching, I had someone that I could quickly ask. Now, I wasn't asking Chris every single question that popped up. Part of being a business owner is going through all the motions, but I wasn't allowing questions that I didn't have the answers to keep me stuck and not progressing forward. Now, if you don't have a Chris in your life, that is completely okay. You do now. I've actually created a completely free school community that's linked in the description below. Inside the community, you'll get access to over 51 hours of print-on-demand training, step-by-step resources, and a community of people who are going through this with you. It's the exact kind of support that I had starting out, and now I want to give that to you. But let's go into strategy number 3, which is something that I wish I had done better from the start, which was batch uploading my designs and staying super organized. 5 years ago, when I was trying to build my brand in between rotating shifts, barely catching up on sleep, I didn't have a system. So files ended up scattered across my desktop. Now, when you are creating dozens or even hundreds of designs, things can get messy fast. I made the mistake of not organizing my files early on. So later I had to spend hours of time digging through folders, trying to find the right mockups, the design files that I needed, and it ended up wasting so much time. If I were starting over today, I would keep everything organized in a Google Drive from day one. I'm talking final mockups, final designs, AI prompts that I used, all the way down to spreadsheets to track what's live, what's pending, and what still needs to be uploaded. This not only saves you time, but it sets you up to scale. If you ever bring on a designer, a VA, or anybody to help manage your store, they'll need quick access to your assets. So having clean, organized folders from day one makes your business look and run like a business and not just a messy side project. Now, finally, strategy number 4, and this one is an absolute game changer, is using ChatGPT for everything. Back when I was starting out, I had to figure out everything the slow way. Hours on Google, writing every email myself, coming up with designs manually, guessing what would work. If I had something like ChatGPT back then, I genuinely believe that I would have shaved months off the process. I'm talking coming up with my brand name, finding my brand voice, generating my brand logo, picking a domain, writing my email flows, researching trending styles for my niche. The list goes on and on. Now, if you want to use one of my favorite hacks, use the dictation button on ChatGPT. That way you don't even have to type out your prompt. You can just simply talk and have a conversation. We speak way faster than we type, and having a voice to AI conversation lets you move so much quicker. ChatGPT is like having a creative assistant, brand strategist, and research team all in one, and it is available 24/7. Now, I know I mentioned my free school community earlier, but what I didn't tell you is that I've actually trained my own custom GPT on my 31-hour Shopify print-on-demand course. So if you want instant access to a GPT that can answer all of your questions, pulling it directly from my completely free course, definitely check out the link that's in the description below. You'll get access to the GPT, the free community, and tons of resources to help you launch your brand faster. Because if you're working a full-time job, you know your time is limited. And honestly, it's the most valuable thing that you have because we're not getting any more of it. So if you're starting over today, I would use these 4 strategies to make the absolute most out of your time. Time block your most focused hours. Learn from somebody who's already done what you're trying to do. Stay organized and upload your designs in batches. Leverage ChatGPT for branding, research, and execution. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. It would absolutely mean the world to me. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.